I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the niggas around me.
Okay, hey besties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Gracie and I am back with another video. Y'all, I never start in the car, but we on the move because we got somewhere to be. So as y'all can see by the title, I'm gonna be doing like go grocery shopping with me or whatever. It's not really a vlog, but y'all are coming with me, of course. But yeah, so I'm gonna go grocery shopping because I haven't been grocery shopping in so long, and I was like, I need to record this because I feel like it's so many people my age, like 18 through like 20, and so far like people don't really know how to grocery shop. And the thing is, like, I'm one of those people, I'm including myself, but I used to be really good at grocery shopping, but I just lost my little touch. So like, I don't know, but I've been trying to get back to it. So we're gonna try and go. I'm gonna go to ALDIs and HEB because I always go to both. I used to be a Walmart girly, but like I just don't go there no more. So I do ALDIs and HEB. I'm gonna go to ALDIs first because I feel like if I can find it at ALDIs and it's what I need, then it's gonna be cheaper there at HEB. So I get everything I need, or whatever's left, I go to HEB because they gonna have it, but it's gonna be more expensive. So I'm gonna go to ALDIs first, if that makes sense. And then my grocery technique, like I have a budget, of course. I got a grocery list, like meats, dairy. I got a section off of what I need. I always start with my meats and dairy items first, of course, because it's most important. But yeah, and then I also, with my budget, I calculate every item. So every time I get an item, that I check it off my list and I take that price and put it in the calculator so that I can keep up with how close I am to my budget with what I have checked off. So that way I try to stay on budget as much as I can. I normally always go over, so when I budget, I kind of like do it unders because I know I'm gonna go over. But yeah, that's kind of my technique. And y'all, I really used to be good. Like, I used to be on it. I used to get my groceries. I used to cook. I used to meal prep when I was in high school. But I haven't been doing it since I've been in college. I don't know what's up with that. And I have a whole apartment, a whole kitchen that I could be using to cook, and I don't even cook, and I don't even grocery shop. And I be seeing girls in their dorms cooking it up, y'all, cooking it up. And that's no shade to the dorm girlies, like, y'all be doing y'all thing. But I'm just like, I got a whole kitchen that I need to like use and take advantage of while I got it. So I'm like, I've been trying to get back to cooking and everything like that. It was just hard because I would buy groceries and then they would just sit there, or like, cause I was there in college, like we'll travel for like a whole month. And then, like, of course, I'm not buying groceries because, like, I'm barely at home. Then I come back, I don't want to grocery shop no more. I done lost my rhythm. So we're just trying to get back to that, y'all. So we're going to go to ALDIs first with our list and see what we can check off. And then we're going to head to HEB. So y'all just going to come with us and see what we can get. And I'm going to try to teach y'all my little tricks or whatnot. But yeah. Yeah, and so for some reason, the Yum Yum sauce, oh, I just skin this. It reminds me of the pink sauce. That's why I just can't get with it. But I'm going to try it and see how it goes. I got some other sauces I'm going to try. And then I also want to do like a smothered chicken recipe because I'm a chicken and rice girly. Ooh, just lighting. But I'm a chicken and rice girly. So we're going to see. And I'm going to try to get some of that. Y'all, I totally forgot. Well, we got Stanley with us. But I totally forgot they make you pay for the bags. And I forgot to bring a bag. And why? You know how they make you pay for the carts too? But, you know, you get your quarter bag. But why is no more carts? I already got to get a quarter for it. And that ain't no more. But yeah, I'm not gonna let them start. But I'm finna just go in there. I guess I'm gonna have to pay for a bag when I get my groceries. Y'all, I'm trying to remember. Beef is steak, right? Because it's saying beef, but it's not saying steak. Like, it's different. Like, beef is for stew. I don't know. I'm finna look it up. Y'all, this the best cereal. You know I wouldn't steer y'all wrong. Only ALDIs have it. Like, this the best one, I'm telling y'all. Okay guys, so I finished shopping at ALDIs. That's the groceries. And y'all, they don't even give you bags. Like, you can pay for a bag or bring your own bag, but I told you I forgot to bring mine, and they don't give you them. And I forgot if you have to pay for them, but they was struggling there. Oh my gosh, they're so rude. I just forgot. Like, they're just so rude. And so I didn't even ask for that bag. I don't see what their company gains though from not just making that a requirement to bag your groceries. I don't see what they gain from that. It's really like annoying. But yeah, so I got most of everything, and I spent like $75 or $76, which is great. But I'm missing just like I want to get these certain type of potatoes that are from HEB, a couple of sauces like the yum yum sauce, and what else? It's another sauce I needed. It's another like spicy mayo and a chipotle sauce that I need. And then the pre-made salads, because HEB salads hit. HEB pre-made everything hit, like their pre-made meals hit, but I'm trying not to get none of those, but I might. But definitely their salad. So we are gonna go, even though it's late, I just want to go home. We're gonna run to HEB really fast and get those few things, and it will be done with grocery shopping. Okay, y'all, I made it to HEB, so we're about to head in. And like I said, I really just need the sauces from here. And I did say salads, but I don't think I'm gonna get that, y'all. So hopefully I just find a little sauces that will add on to my meals, because I was able to get a lot of stuff at ALDIs. So yeah, we're gonna head in and see. Okay, y'all, I just got finished shopping at HEB. I got everything that I needed, the sauces, and then I got some chips and dip. But it's literally dark, so I need to get back home because I know I can't drive or see in the dark. But yeah, so I'm gonna go back home, put in my groceries, and then I'm gonna show y'all everything that I got. Okay, y'all, so I made it back home. I don't know how many trips it took to get all these groceries in here. Next time I will get grocery bags. That is crazy. But yeah, that's my drinks that I got, and then the chips and cereal, and then I'm gonna go through, this is the main stuff, but I'm gonna go through it for y'all. So this is the meat that I got for the steak bites. I wasn't sure, but I searched it up and it literally said this is the same thing. So I got it because it's cheaper and it's already cut up and easy. Then I got some, let me sit this down. I got some chicken that's already seasoned for tacos specifically. That way I can just have the tacos, and I already got the meat. That's like a quick little meal. And then this is what I got for what I want to do for the smothered chicken. Y'all, I hope this is the right chicken. I have no clue at all. But this is what we're going to use to try it. It was only $7 at ALDIs, and it's a whole bunch of chicken. Like, it's the family pack. I don't even need all that. But yeah. And then I found the little sauces I was talking about. This is a chipotle mayo for something more spicy, because I hope this is not the same thing. But this is for like the yum yum for like hibachi or not, because I want to try that. So yeah, we're going to see. Then of course my face. Let me share the one I know. My kombucha. This flavor is really good. I like the other brand too, but I just got this brand because it's bigger. Then I'm going to try a new one, y'all, or a new flavor. The passion fruit tangerine. So we're gonna see. But yeah, that's the only unique stuff that I got. Of course, I got like eggs, butter. This is also for the smothered chicken and cheese and little stuff, and like some bagels. And then I also got smoothie, like a smoothie, I don't know, blend, I guess, already frozen. And I got a bunch of cut up fruits, and then I'm gonna just use apple juice with that, so that it's already smoothies. But yeah, that's pretty much what I got.
Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Thing is a life that's better than yours. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your lover, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. That life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better, life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better, life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? A
hard times without the people you love. No, I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord.
Okay, so I just finished putting in my drinks in my mini fridge. So all my groceries are put up. And that's pretty much the end of this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope it was a little helpful if you're trying to figure out your grocery shopping in your young adult years and whatnot. As I get better with it, I'm gonna continue to do this. And I'm gonna show y'all the recipes that I plan on cooking. So stay tuned for that. And make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye, besties.